Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Christopher King, and I'm just going to jump right into the prompt that we have for this week, which is identifying three assets that you have that you believe will assist you and your classmates in learning about generalist social work practice. So the first asset that I believe I have that will assist us in learning about this material is my positivity. And while it may not seem that that's a good asset to have, I believe that positivity and optimism serve to lighten the mood in any environment, and it just serves to lift the morale. And when morale is lifted and when you have a positive environment, it's that much easier to accomplish the task at hand. And that will come into play with my responses to discussion posts. And there's another asset that I have that I will believe will also come into play with my responses to the discussion posts, but I'll get to that in just a moment. But my second asset that I believe I have that will assist us in learning about this material is my integrity slash preparedness. And that will assist us in learning about the material and the fact that I will always be prepared for the discussion post, which I'm sure everyone will be. But I say that to say that I will have thoroughly read that week's material and I will always be appropriately citing and referencing that material. So in me being prepared and in my classmates reading my discussion post for that week, it will help serve to be a review of the material that we learned for that week. And so it will be a good way to just go over what we've already learned for that week. And review is key in getting that information into you and making sure you know the information at the end of the day. My third and final asset that I believe I have that will assist us in learning about generalist social work practice is my professionalism when it comes to my response to the discussion post. And so this is what I was speaking of earlier. So in my response to any discussion post that I post a response to, it will not simply be, oh, thank you for posting, great post, I agree, and that's it. I will try my best to make sure I take that and see that as another opportunity to reference materials. I will bring up points that are not touched on that I believe are interesting in reference to the discussion post that I post a response to. And in that way, I will be adding to the discussion rather than just simply saying I agree with something that someone's saying. And I think that's another good way because it gets you think another good way to aid us in learning about this material because it gets you thinking about the material in a different way. So when you view things from different perspectives, it's better encoded. And we can reference and draw on these things and principles that we learned that much better when we've thought about it in from several different aspects and from several different perspectives. And so in being prepared and being positive and in maintaining my professional integrity, I guess, when it comes to my response to discussion posts, I believe those three assets will allow me to serve as an aid in the learning of all the principles associated with generalist social work practice. Thank you for listening, and I hope you guys have a good day and good luck with everything in the course and with this program overall. Thanks.